Vacuum, we don't just sell new vacuum cleaners, we are vacuum cleaners. Hopefully you know to come to our shop anytime that your vacuum is broken or not working very well. We fix all kinds of vacuums. But did you know how important it is to get your vacuum cleaned and serviced at regular intervals? Yep, deep cleaning is one of our most popular services. It's like your car. You don't just wait for the engine to blow to go take it to the shop, right? No, you understand the importance of regular maintenance. You go to get the oil and the filters changed, get the tires rotated, the brakes redone. All of that happening at regular intervals makes sure that your car works properly every single day. It doesn't break down unexpectedly and will last you for many, many years. Well, your vacuum is a machine too, so the same rules apply. And it makes sense, right? You can't clean your house with a dirty, smelly vacuum. So be sure to drop off your vacuum here at our repair facility every single year for its annual tune-up and deep cleaning. You will be amazed at the results.